You're watching How Leap. Let's fix Facebook not working on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, update the Facebook app. Go to the App Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update. Restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and volume button, then slide to power off. Turn it back on, then check for iPhone software updates. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates. Clear the app cache by offloading. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Find Facebook, tap it, then select Offload App. Reinstall it from the App Store. Check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and ensure Set Automatically is on. Finally, check if Facebook servers are down using a site like Down Detector. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.